You've been washing your face every single day, and it still doesn't look the way you want it to. I know, because I was you. Let me take you back. There was a time, and maybe you're living it right now, where getting dressed in the morning came with a ritual I hated. Not the skincare, not the routine, the mirror. Standing there, leaning in, pressing your fingertips against skin that just refused to cooperate, blackheads that wouldn't move, pimples that showed up uninvited the night before something important, and that quiet, exhausting feeling of trying everything and nothing working. This video is for the version of you that's been doing everything right and still doesn't feel right. We're gonna fix that. Slowly, together. Here's what I want you to know before we start. Your skin is not broken, it's not your enemy, it's just talking to you in the only language it has. And once you start listening, really listening, everything changes. What I'm gonna walk you through today isn't a miracle routine. It's a rhythm, a morning, a night. Small, satisfying steps that, over time, completely transform what you see in that mirror. So settle in, get comfortable, maybe pour yourself some tea, because we're taking this slow. Step-by-step morning routine. Step 1, gentle cleanser. We start soft. A gentle, low pH cleanser. No harsh foaming, no stripping, just that. 1 pump. Feel the gel between your fingers. Cool, slightly silky, almost weightless. You're gonna wet your face first. Not cold, not hot. Warm, like the water that feels like forgiveness. Then work the cleanser in small, slow circles, forehead, nose, chin, the places that carry everything. Rinse, pat dry, never rub. Step 2, toner. This is my favorite step. And once you try it, it'll be yours too. A hydrating toner, no alcohol, nothing that stings. Pour a small amount onto a cotton pad, listen to that sound, the soft saturation, and press it gently into your skin. Don't swipe, press, hold, release. Your skin drinks this in like it's been waiting. The texture shifts almost immediately. From tight and dull, plump, alive. Step 2, toner. This is my favorite step. And once you try it, it'll be yours too. A hydrating toner, no alcohol, nothing that stings. Pour a small amount onto a cotton pad, listen to that sound, the soft saturation, and press it gently into your skin. Don't swipe, press, hold, release. Your skin drinks this in like it's been waiting. The texture shifts almost immediately. From tight and dull to plump, alive. Step 3, Moisturizer plus SPF, the duo that protects everything you've just done. Lightweight moisturizer first, the kind that melts on contact. Like something between water and silk, then SPF, every single morning, non-negotiable. Sun damage is the #1 cause of hyperpigmentation from acne scars. You do this now, so you're not fighting discoloration later. Night routine, nighttime is where the real work happens. This is when your skin repairs, when it regenerates. You're not just cleansing, you're giving your skin permission to heal. Step 1, oil cleanse, first cleanse. Oil-based. You're gonna massage this into dry skin, slowly. Watch what happens. Sunscreen, pollution, sebum, everything that built up today, it all starts to dissolve, emulsify. The oil binds to oil, and it all lifts away. Close your eyes for this step. It's not just cleansings, it's unwinding. Add a few drops of water. The oil turns milky white and slides right off, gone. Step 2, foam cleanser, second cleanse. Water-based. This one gets into the pores, you'll feel the difference. That satisfying, clean tightness that tells you something real just happened. Step 3, targeted treatment, salicylic acid. This is your blackhead fighter, your pore decongester. BHA, salicylic acid specifically, is oil-soluble, which means it actually goes inside the pore and dissolves the oxidized sebum that's stuck in there. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it goes in. Apply with a cotton pad, focus on the T-zone, let it sit, don't rinse it off. Step 4, Hydration Lock Niacinamide Serum, for fading marks, minimizing pores, controlling oil. Then a rich moisturizer to seal everything in. Your skin barrier is everything. Protect it like it matters. Because it does. Retention moment, okay. This is the part you've been waiting for. Steam first, always steam first. A warm, damp cloth, fold it, press it gently against your skin and hold it there. 10 seconds, 20. Feel the pores opening, softening, surrendering. Now, with clean hands and a comedone extractor, you position it at the edge, not the center. The edge, you press down and slowly apply pressure. There it is, that barely there resistance, and then release. The blackhead, that tiny oxidized plug of sebum and dead skin that's been sitting there invisible but felt, it emerges, slowly, like it was always ready to go, it just needed the right conditions. No violence, no force, just patience. And the right technique, press a cotton pad soaked in witch hazel or diluted tea tree toner against the area. Soothe, close, protect, and breathe, because God, doesn't that feel good? Stay with me, we're not done yet. Once a week, that's all this takes. Clay mask kaolin or bentonite clay, draws out impurities, absorbs excess oil, minimizes pores. Apply, let it set, rinse with warm water. The texture change alone is satisfying. Chemical exfoliation AHA like lactic acid, dissolves the glue between dead skin cells so they shed naturally. Smoother texture, brighter tone, fewer clogged pores. Once a week only. Sheet mask, pure hydration. After any active treatment, your skin needs replenishment. A centella or hyaluronic acid sheet mask is like a long drink of water. And beyond products, change your pillowcase twice a week. Stop touching your face. Clean your phone screen. Drink more water than you think you need. Sleep. These are not small things. They are everything. Before we wrap up, let's dismantle some things you've probably been told that are making your skin worse, not better. Dry skin can't get acne. Wrong. Acne is about pore blockages and bacteria, not oil levels. People with dry, dehydrated skin can and do get acne. Overdrying your skin actually triggers more oil production as a defense. Moisturize. Always. Popping pimples makes them go away faster. Improper extraction spreads bacteria, pushes inflammation deeper, and causes scarring. The extraction scene you just watched? That's a blackhead, a comedown with no active infection. That's different. Active pimples need treatment, not force. More products, better results. Layering 10 actives every night is not a skincare routine. It's a recipe for a damaged barrier. Less consistently wins every time over more, erratically. I need to be honest with you, because I respect your time and your skin too much not to be. This will not work in 3 days. Anyone who tells you it will is lying to you. Week 1-2, your skin may purge slightly as actives bring congestion to the surface. This is normal, this is progress, don't stop. Week 3-4, texture begins to smooth. New breakouts slow down. Your skin starts to feel more balanced. Month 2-3, real change. Blackheads reduce. Hyperpigmentation fades. The mirror becomes less of an enemy. Your skin has a 28-day cell turnover cycle. Real, lasting improvement works with that cycle, not against it. Give it time. Give it consistency. Give it grace. And that's it. That's the whole routine. Nothing dramatic, nothing complicated. Just care, real care, for something that holds every emotion you've ever had. If this helped you, if you watched this and thought, for even 1 second, I can do this, please leave that in the comments. I read every single one. And some days, your words keep me going too. Like this video if you want more. Subscribe if you want to stay. And remember, the most important part of any skincare routine isn't the products, it's the person doing it. Thank you for watching.